morning, children. Welcome to the class. In the last class, we are studying about globe and map. The remaining topic today I will take up and discuss with you. Yes. What is globe? Globe is the exact model of the earth. And what is a map? It is the flawed drawing of a geographical area. Globe and map both are similarities. Teaching aid in the class. Globe, it is difficulty to carry, and it is difficulty to locate the place at one glance, and it cannot contain all the information of a place. But map not contain like globe. Map give a detail about the particular place. So map and globe both are good teaching aid in the class. Right. Today children, now I will go and discuss with you another point about of this globe and the map. Firstly, I will take a now scale. Scale is the small ruler like on the map. Scale it gives idea about the distance on the place. This map, globe scale give the actual distance on the place, and it give a ratio between the places and real ratio between the ground and the map. So this scale is the small ruler like show on the map that we call as scale. Children, nextly colors. Particularly, there were important permitted colors to use on the globe and the map to show the particular place. Important colors were used on the map. Or first one, water bodies. Next one, mountains and highlands. Plains and lowlands. These are all main important places which are shown on the map with the use of the colors. First one, water bodies. To show this water bodies, blue color is used to show the water body. Dark blue and the light blue, the two colors were used on the map. Dark blue color which shows heavy water, light blue color which shows shallow water, but mountains and highlands. Mountains and highlands. For showing this one, brown color. Brown color used to show this mountains. Dark brown color used to show the highest mountain. Light brown color used to show the lowest mountain area. And yellow color, it is used for show the highlands. Yellow color, it is used for show the highlands. So this color. Next, to show the plains and lowlands, use green color in the map. Show the plains and lowlands, use this green color. Water bodies shown with the use of blue color. Mountains shown with the use of brown color. Highlands used with the use of yellow color. Plains and lowlands are shown with the use of green color. Like these are the main colors for use for showing the particular place on the map. Nextly, symbols. Basically, children, symbols. You all watch the map. On the map, various symbols are used. Railway, roadways, then national highways, state highways, airports, then there are domestic airports, international airports, ports also locate on the map. These are all the particular symbols for use to show the important places on the map. You know, children, these symbols not only used in our country, that symbols all are used in the world. So that symbols are called as conventional symbols. Universally, all the countries people use the particular symbol. They are called as conventional symbols. Like that, map and globe are very necessary to study about on the earth. These are all best teaching aid in the classroom. So, in the last period, we have studied about globe and the map. Right? Next, children classroom. Next, we will go give you through the PDF. Right? Now, I will go and type it. Next topic is another lesson, that is the second lesson, latitudes and longitudes. Okay. Latitudes and longitudes. Okay. What are these latitude and longitude? You know, children, Earth is large. Not very easy to look our Earth at one glance. There is a time taken for watch and also for time taken to complete day and night. For that reason, to avoid this problem, international geographists they create this an imaginary line. The imaginary line, horizontal and vertical lines on globe and map, they are called the latitudes and longitudes. See, the imaginary horizontally and vertically lines which are drawn on globe and map are called as latitudes and longitudes. These are imaginary lines, not drawn on Earth in really, right? On the globe and map, just only we draw. For locate the places on the map and globe. For that reason, these imaginary lines are drawn on globe. So we go and learn about these latitudes and longitudes. See children, next time we are going to discuss with you about the longitudes. Next one, grid system. Okay. See first one, latitudes. The imaginary line which drawn on globe from east to west. The line which are drawn from east to west are called as latitude. Longitude, the imaginary line which are drawn on globe or a map from north to south. The line which are drawn on globe from north to south, that imaginary lines are called longitude. Right. Next one, grid system. Grid system. Latitude and longitudes intersect each other at right angle. That system is called a grid system. See, the latitude and longitudes are intersect each other at right angle is known as grid system. They are cross equator. Longitudes are crossed the equator at right angle. This system is known as grid system. Okay. So this is a latitude, longitude, and grid system. Now I will take and discuss with you about latitude. Latitude, I am already saying the meaning. The the imaginary line which are drawn from east to west, that imaginary line is called a latitude. See, the imaginary line which is drawn at the center of the earth, the imaginary line which is drawn at the center of the earth is equator. The measurement of this line is 0 degree. Equator, the measurement is 0 degree. Equator. This equator is a great circle. Equator is called a great circle. Great circle. Great circle. Equator is the great circle. This equator divides the earth into two parts, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Right. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. There are two. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So there were 90 degree in the 90 latitude in the south and 90 latitude in the north. 90 plus 90, 180. With equator, there are 181 latitudes. There are 181 latitudes. 90 latitude in the south and 90 latitude in the north. With equator, there are 181 latitudes on the earth. 181 latitude on the earth. All these lines of latitudes are parallel to the equator. Lines of latitudes are parallel to the equator. There is a speciality about of latitudes. And children, basically there are 4 important latitudes other than the equator. Including equator, there are 5 important latitudes are there. So 4 important latitudes are given by your text. So I wrote this 4. Four important latitudes. See, this is the equator. 0 degree is a measurement. 23.5 degree north latitude. 23.5 degree south latitude. Antarctic circle called 66.5 degree south latitude, 66.5 degree north latitude. So last point is 90 degree. This is the north pole and this is the south pole. So these are not mentioned in our text. So just only 4 latitudes are mentioned. They are equator, and the measurement is 0 degree. 23.5 degree north latitude. It is called a Tropic of Cancer. And 23.5 degree south latitude. That line is called a Tropic of Capricorn. 66.5 degree north. That is called a Arctic Circle. 66 and a half degree south latitude, and it is called the Antarctic Circle. See once again the important latitudes. See, equator, it is a great circle. The measurement is 0 degree, 23 and a half degree north latitude. The name is Tropic of Cancer. 23 and a half degree south latitude, Tropic of Capricorn. 66 and a half degree north latitude, Arctic Circle. 66 and a half degree south latitude, it is called the Antarctic Circle. So, on the earth there were 5 important latitudes. Except equator, there were 4 important latitudes are mentioned. Okay, so these are all important latitudes on the earth. See, now we will learn about features of latitude. See, these lines are drawn from east to west. The lines of latitudes are drawn from east to west. All the lines of latitude are parallel to the equator. All the lines of latitude are parallel to the equator. Second point. Third one. There are equal length. All the lines of latitude are equal length. Fourth point. The distance from the equator decreases with the distance from the equator. Means the lines of latitudes length decreases with the distance from the equator. So these are all 5 important features of the latitudes. See, once again I wrote on the board, all the lines of latitude are parallel to the equator. First one. Parallel to equator. These lines are from east to west. Second one. Third one. The distance, if they are all equal distance, the distance between the two latitudes is equal. Next, the length is decreased with the distance from the equator. Decrease with the distance from the equator. These are all basic characteristics of latitudes. Latitudes are parallel to equator. They are run from east to west. The distance is equal. The two latitudes distance is equal in any way. That is 111 kilometer distance. The length is decreases with the distance from the equator. So basically these are the characteristics or features of latitudes. Let's see longitude. Since in north to south, or vertical lines are called as longitudes. See, these lines are prime meridian. Basically, in longitude, prime meridian pass through in Greenwich of London. The place of London is a Greenwich. In this place, the prime meridian pass through. This is the first line of the longitude. Greenwich of London. To the line of this place, east is called the eastern hemisphere. To the west of this line is called the western hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. The prime meridian or first line of longitude, it passed through in Greenwich of London. To this line, eastern part is called a eastern hemisphere. To the west of this line is called a western hemisphere. Lines of longitude. Longitudes are also called a prime meridians. Prime meridians. Prime meridians. Prime meridians means the place which is observed after noon. Prime means mid. There means day. Prime meridians. So the place which is observed after noon, that we called as prime meridian. So nextly, in the next class, I will take and discuss with you about the features of this longitudes.